Hello, I'm Jazz Suarez. I'm working on Workforce Study Plan Chapter 1. This is question 1. Question 1 says to add 1,209 grams and 45.1 kilograms and express your answer in milligrams. Alright, so to do this, I'm just going to convert um, grams to kilograms. So we start by the total, the 1,209 grams. We're gonna do multiplication and division here. So we're gonna have the 1,000 grams in the bottom because that's gonna be divided. That's gonna be canceled out, and then the 1 kilograms at the top. Because when you do this, the grams cancel out with the grams, and the final product is 1.299 kilograms. So now you just add the wait. So all we'll be doing now is just gonna add the 1.291 kilograms plus the 45.1 kilograms, and that gives us 46.4 kilograms. But now they want the answers in milligrams, so we're just gonna do a conversion again. So we're gonna start with 46.44 kilograms times 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Then we're gonna have 1 gram on the bottom and 1,000 milligrams, because that's what it is. That's what they want. So again, kilograms cancel with kilograms, grams cancel with grams, and we're left off with milligrams. So once you do this calculation, you get 4.64 times 10 to the 7 milligrams. So the answer in the end is going to be D, 4.64.